All right, so now we are at step F. You have your messenger RNA, your transfer RNA, and then you had attached to the codon, the anticodon CCA, which brings along that amino acid glycine, and then you did it again with the second one. All right, now we're at step F. Tape a small piece of tape now between the two amino acids to represent a peptide bond. So I'm going to grab some tape. All right, so what is the name of the bond that forms between two amino acids? The peptide bond. So this tape is the peptide bond. And it doesn't have to be, whoops, perfect, but now I just taped it to the Elmo tray thing. All right. So tape a small piece of tape between the two amino acids to represent a peptide bond. Once the peptide bond has formed, the transfer RNA molecule attached first is released. Carefully cut the tape attaching the first transfer RNA to the messenger RNA. So let's do that first. So now I'm going to cut the tape from the codon to the anticodon, messenger RNA to the transfer RNA. And then cut the line that separates the transfer RNA and the amino acid. You may set the rRNA molecule, transfer RNA molecule, and discard it later. This should be a T. Here, let me just change that. On that virtual copy. Okay, so it just said to get rid of the anticodon, and then this will be thrown out. So I'm going to put that in a pile to throw out later. All right, so the whole point is to code, these codes make a protein. So here you go, you're starting with two amino acids.